Thank you, Jamie, for inviting us. Hello and namaste, respected all of you. Thank you for being here. It's an honor to be here and present our project Kamdhenu. Kamdhenu is a Sanskrit word meaning divine cow. We aim to unite ethical architecture with forward-looking innovation, creating a shelter that nurtures both animals and ecosystem. We began with a question: what if a dairy could be more than a shelter? An empathetic design where cows, earth, and human come together to seed a regenerative future. We begin with a short video framing the role of cows, especially Gir cows in India. Before getting exported to Brazil and the USA, this breed originated in the Gir region of Gujarat in western India, and it is country's one of oldest indigenous cattle breeds. Its distinctive anatomy, the hump, the dewlap, and the horns, are functional features that help regulate heat and metabolize sunlight into energy, enriching the quality of milk and bringing about a revolution. The Gir cow's milk is naturally rich in A2 protein. It yields fragrant, nutrient-rich ghee and the cow dung, which are treasured in Ayurveda for healing. Her resources embody a complete cycle of nourishment and sustainable practices. In Indian tradition, food is sacred. It is used as an expression of gratitude. Milk from cows hold deep cultural significance, where their well-being shapes its purity. Grazing fields and ponds foster well-being. Cooking and eating begin with a prayer, making nourishment a spiritual act. What is coexistence? We believe that it is a gentle bond where humans, earth, sky, and animals share a single heartbeat called empathy. The three thumb rules that guided us: architecture beyond scale, a design rooted in empathy and respect, a system self-sufficient, energy sufficient, and grounded in cultural wisdom. Our cow shelter is part of a larger community plan with stables and water systems. Located at the site's edge, it invites residents and neighbors to access fresh milk, learn from dairy processes, and spend time with cows, connecting Kamdhenu to every home in the community. The functional planning offers distinct spaces for human and cow comfort, yet overlaps them to nurture empathy without compromising either's needs. Hosting about 78 cow units, the plan follows the rhythm of a cow's day: feeding, drinking, grazing, milking, and resting. Each station supports their mental well-being, comfort, and efficiency. Cow behavior studies shaped the activity-based functional zoning. Can you increase the volume of the music? This is an isometric which shows you where everything is placed in the plan. Administrative unit, drive-through dairy, organic dairy store, pasteurization unit, visitor and student interaction area, which was very important for us, and a lounge, feeding stations, cow shed, isolation pens, veterinary unit, bull's pen, medical and lab, hay and fodder storage, biogas storage, calf pen, drinking water station, a temple, a pond, and grazing area. While empathizing with the Gir cow, her very form became the inspiration for shaping the architecture for the shelter. We honor India's divine bovine heritage by drawing direct inspiration from the Gir cow's geometry. Her strong facial structure inspired the column spine. The horns shaped the column base. The hooves influence the rear column design, architecture guided by biomimicry. This animation traces our design journey where initial concept sketches merge with the Gir cow's defining features and evolve into a built form. This section explains the placement of grazing fields, a pond linked to rainwater harvesting, calf pens near feeding stations, and channels designed for waste collection. The calf's well-being begins with its mother's care, and our design protects and nurtures this connection. The calf pen and the cow sheds share the same typology, that is concrete columns, MS pipes, curved puffed insulation roofing, and durable flooring. The space encourages bonding and gentle motion where activities flow across the site. The edges of the structure act as active thresholds, integrating human intent, bovine comfort, and ecological balance into a single living system. This detail illustrates solar integration and rainwater harvesting, where rain chains guide water into the collection pits that are then pumped across the site for reuse. This detail shows lures along the curved roof edges for ventilation and rain protection. Feeding stations are gently sloped to channel dung and urine into biogas units. The shelter was conceived to be adaptable, scalable, and repeatable, shaped around cow anthropometry and attuned to their comforts and needs. Each feeder has sieve trays that filter dirt into retractable trays for easy cleaning. MS channel pipes define spaces, preventing spillage and ensuring fair access, while a concrete base adds durability, hygiene, and moisture resistance, forming a clean, efficient feeding system. Our design teaches future generations empathy, showing that milk is not from a bottle but from a living process. It also serves as a retail model where buyers witness, understand, and value the making of milk, ghee, and the connection to nature. Kamdhenu holds the potential to be an educational platform, what we in India call a Gurukul, for future generations. The banyan tree holds deep ecological and cultural significance in India. It releases oxygen day and night, supports countless species, and sustains microclimates. The space beneath it is left open as a living courtyard where communities gather, celebrate festivals, and perform rituals honoring cows and nature. The music playing in the background is Vaishnav Vajanto Tene Kahiye. It's a bhajan or a song symbolizing compassion, humility, and selfless service. Kamdhenu is architecture that restores balance between human, animal, and ecology. It is India's offering to the architecture of coexistence. We now invite you to experience our journey of Kamdhenu. Plastic bottles which are used as solar tube daylighting.
Thank you.